So, Google I/O. Obviously, we've all seen news all over our timelines about things coming out of I/O. And this is the blog written by Elizabeth Reed, and it summarizes the things that are coming to search. And the blog is called A New Era for AI Search. Um, I find this interesting because they always keep saying the same thing, right? Every time they release something, it's the same message, right? New era or search is fundamentally going to be changed and so on. Anyways, let's dig in. So, first they start by something here interesting. They say, just 1 year after its debut, AI Mode has surpassed 1 billion monthly users with queries more than doubling every quarter since launch. And then they're explaining this is because people have realized just how much more search can do for them. Okay, I find this part incredibly annoying because AI Mood has been growing and doubling in queries every quarter, but none of this is translating to traffic to publishers. So this is not good news for SEOs. This is, I don't know what we're supposed to do with this. We're not excited about this. It means nothing to us. Um, this may be useful for Google stakeholders, but definitely not for SEOs. Like, this is basically them saying, hey, people are using our platform more. Yeah. And, and nothing. There's nothing for us there. So this is just very annoying. Then they talk about powerful AI right in search. I just want to say something. I really noticed an improved in quality in Gemini in general, a very noticeable improvement. I use it and I don't like it in general, but I did notice an improvement. So they're doing good work there, okay? And they're bringing this latest model to search. Okay, no worries. And then they're making changes to the search box, and they're just going to make it easier for you to ask questions. And this also explains why they're getting more queries, right? They're going to make it easier. It's not just about autocomplete. They're going to detect your intent and so on, and help you formulate your question and so on. For us, what does that mean? We're going to see more long tail keywords in Google Search Console. We're going to see more of that, more complex, sophisticated, niche queries, right? Okay. And then next is Search AI agents. If you've ever used Google Alerts, where you set up an alert and whenever a mention of whatever you're tracking, a new mention comes on the web, it notifies you. So, for example, you can be tracking your brand mentions, right? So, anytime your brand is mentioned, you can get notified, right? So, they have created a search agents which basically does the same thing. It basically tells you every time something happens, but you have the ability to fine tune it and apply advanced logic. So the example they gave here is if you're apartment hunting, for example, right? You can like specify what type of apartment you're looking for and maybe 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, whatever, right? In a specific location and within a specific price range. Like you can add also sort of filters, and every time the agent finds a new listing that matches your criteria, they're gonna notify you. And then you can also, for example, set up an search agent to notify you when there's a new release for your favorite pro athlete announces a sneaker collab, right? So again, it can notify you. So you can really fine tune it instead of just words. Now you can have more filters, right? Okay. So and then agentic booking capabilities, again, it's going to help you book. It's not going to book for you because here they say search brings together the latest pricing and availability with direct links to finish booking through the provider of your choice. So you're going to finish the booking, right? That is good, I think, because I don't think we're there yet where we can give agents our credit cards and personal information for it to perform bookings and buy things on our behalf. Also, you can ask Google to call businesses on your behalf. This is an interesting one to watch, actually. Let's see how this pans out. Yeah, and then agentic coding and search. Okay, so basically, you ask a question and you want Google to show you something, right? So think of this as if you're explaining something to a child and you start drawing it to them. Hey, this is how this looks like. This is what Google search will be capable of doing. They are going to be able to write a computer program that plots or draws something for you. And this thing is not just an image, it's interactive. So you can interact with it. For example, if you're studying physics, you may want to see like how forces, impact the movement of things. So you may actually end up with um, an interactive app in search explaining to you the concept, right? Um, all of these are in concept great ideas, but I am worried that a lot of education is going to happen in search on those AI features, and AI hallucinates and it's not accurate. So that can actually be problematic. Imagine explaining to you a concept, a factual concept, in wrong and giving you even an interactive app and everything syncs and you think this is right, but it's not. It's far from, right? And then this part, this is also interesting. So you can build custom dashboards or trackers. And the goal of this is that they want you to continue to come back and continue to use their uh, products, right? So basically, you can create a fitness and meal tracker, stuff like that, and it can create an entire program for you and help you track what you're doing, right? So again, Google just wants people to use its products more, which is something they've always been doing, right? Yeah, so that was Google I/O and features coming to search. Hope you found this useful and see you next video. Bye.